Hi, it's Michael from Logic Hop, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step instructions to get you up and running with Logic Hop. I'm here on the thank you page after placing a new order for a monthly business plan, and I want you to take note here, this is the domain name that you would have entered when you completed your order. I'm working locally, so my domain name is quickstart.local. Yours will be something like yourdomain.com. The other thing I want you to pay attention to is the API key. We're going to use this to make the connection to the Logic Hop backend. If you do need to change your domain name, if you scroll down, you'll see that you have your subscription. If you go ahead and click that or click View, it's going to take you to this window where you can update and change your domain name. You can change this at any time, but this is also needed to make the connection to the Logic Hop backend. Here we also have our API key again. So I'm going to go ahead and copy my API key. And I can minimize this window, I don't need it anymore. But I'm going to jump into my website, and this is my local website that I'm working on. It's a WooCommerce store. I'm going to come into the dashboard for this, and I want to come to plugins, and I want to go ahead and add the Logic Hop plugin. So I'm going to click Add New, and then search for Logic Hop. And then here we have the Logic Hop Personalized Marketing for WordPress. I'm going to go ahead and click Install Now. Now, if you have other plugins that you want to go ahead and install, this is where you would do it as well. We have great things like the WooCommerce add-on, the Drip add-on, Facebook Pixel, and so forth. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and activate the Logic Hop plugin. And you'll see that it says Logic Hop requires a valid API key. So let's jump into the Logic Hop settings. And you'll notice that I need to enter my domain name and then also my API key. So I'm going to go ahead and paste this in. And then my domain name, I can go ahead and add that. We can leave the rest of the settings as their defaults for now. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save Changes. And that's it. Logic Hop is connected to the API. It's all set up and running. So let's go ahead and create some personalization. If we take a look at our home page, you'll see that I have Welcome to our shop. Let's use a logic block to create a quick bit of customization. So I'm going to use this and say Add New. Call this welcome message, and then I'm going to use some default conditions. So I'm going to say if it's the user's first visit, and then we're going to say and then down here I'm going to change this to say else. So these two messages are basically going to say if this is the user's first visit, welcome to our shop. Else, welcome back to our shop. I'm going to go ahead and click Publish. And you'll see this gives me a short code here, which I can copy. And I'm going to come to our page, Welcome to our shop. I'm going to go ahead and click Edit. When I edit this, you'll see that I have an H1 tag that says Welcome to our shop. I'm going to get rid of the copy that I have there and simply paste in my logic block. I'm going to go ahead and click Update. And now when I view this, welcome to our shop. Now another thing I do want to show you is I've got two browsers open here. So I've got Chrome where I'm working, and then I've got Safari set up so I can view the site as a totally new user. So again, this says welcome to our shop. If I reload it, I had added that exclamation point so we can see that. But now if I want to come back, I can quit Safari. And I'm going to reopen Safari. And by reopening Safari, I'm coming in as that returning user. It's cleared out the session. Welcome back to our shop. So there you have it. That's how you can quickly get up and running with Logic Hop and add personalization using logic blocks in just a few minutes. It's really easy to jump in and start adding this basic personalization so you can start increasing conversions on your website. So if you have any questions, let me know. You can book a time with me. We can screen share and walk through. I'm happy to get you up and running with Logic Hop and also make some recommendations where you can add personalization to your site. So thanks for using Logic Hop, and remember, if you have any questions, just let us know. We're here to help.